In the land of biryanis and pulao, Brinjal Fried Rice had made its mark. It is humble, earthy, and full of flavor. For a farmer, it is a great lunch. For a mother, it is a shortcut. But for a bachelor, this is a blessing. It is such a treasure in Indian cooking that every state has their own brinjal fried rice. Some call it Vankaya annam, Vangi bath, and various other names. What is it called in your state? Even though it is called king of vegetables, brinjal comes in many colors and sizes. But these brinjals have many stories to tell. Some myth, some true. Every man may scratch their own brinjals, but it is true that very few people can get itching when they eat brinjal. After an adventure in the bedroom, if there is a itching on the lips or irritation on the throat, you can blame this brinjal but not his brinjal. Sometimes some men and some women may find themselves in awkward situation of wanting to scratch in public. And if you have eaten brinjal the day, it could be because you are sensitive to histamine compounds that causes itching. And it is very rare, so don't all the time blame the king of vegetables, this humble brinjal. To make this brinjal fried rice, I'm going to use a curry powder. In fact, I'm going to give this link in the description and you can watch how to make the curry powder. Once you have this curry powder, cooking Indian food is so easy. I don't think there is any cuisine in the world where you will understand the essence of true cooking. The sesame seed, whether it's the black one or the white one like the real brinjals, these sesame seeds will give real flavor to this fried rice and also some peanut. Another flavor we love in our brinjal fried rice is coconut. So I have got some desiccated coconut. These three ingredients, put in a blender. Brr, brr, brr. We love our fried rice what we call chitrana. That is why to make it even more tasty, we add ghee and butter. But you can always add peanut, sesame seed oil or any other oil. So to make this, I'm going to use ghee. We're going to add some mustard seeds. You have to make sure that the mustard seeds crackle. Only then add chana dal, cashew nut and also some urad dal. This is to add a little bit of crunch that we need for this. Only when they are slightly fried, add curry leaf, green chili and some turmeric. Now in this, we're going to add onion on one side, on the other side, the sesame seed, peanut and coconut. So you want this raw flavor to come out of this. So add to this and then slowly mix it. Now to this, add brinjal which have been cut to size. That is what women do. Every married man, cut to size. Add some salt and mix all of this. When the brinjals are more than half cooked, just create a space in the center. This is where we're going to add some tamarind juice because the rawness of the tamarind should be gone. So now on top of this, we're going to sprinkle the curry powder, the most precious curry powder. I can't stress enough, once you have this powder, Indian cooking is like cakewalk. Look at this, nice masala dar. On a slow flame, let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. The real magic comes when you add some jaggery powder. You can also add a little bit of sugar, but very little. Before you add rice to this, make sure you taste this aubergine. It has to be cooked. It has to be full of taste. Just before adding rice, mix all of this masala in such a way like they are hugging each other. The brinjal gets the hug here and it should get throughout the life, but taste it. Taste the masala. When you add rice, you need a little more salt. So I'm just going to season it right. Whether it is a pre-cooked rice, leftover rice, anything, you can make this into something that is even better than any pulao or biryani. So add rice and look at it, nice fluffy rice and very lovingly, carefully mix this. Mixu. Aha. And wow, look at this masala. Wow. The crunch of the cashew nut and the dals we added, the masala and everything. This is something that you will just love it. But do not forget, in the comments, write down what you call this eggplant fried rice in your language or in your state. Wow. Look at this beautiful. When you add the green and the purple eggplant, wow, perfect combination. Life is mysterious in many ways, and this eggplant fried rice is absolutely boom boomba. All you need to do is make it, and you will understand the real essence of Indian food when you make this full flavored rices. Wow, you don't need anything, but for me, a little bit of nice sweet yogurt on the side is like a blessing. Absolutely boomba boomba.